Andrew G. White 6 fish. We don't know what to do with our hands.
Exactly.
I'm Ricky Bobby and I drop fast.
If you don't like Skittles, and you.
Dug a hole for me is what it is, man.
Yeah.
I was like, so, Neil from Big Water Guide Service, how do you feel? Puts me downhill.
Look at me.
But I want to be like,
Do this like I'm a gangster, or I just
wrap a leg around you.
this boat right here. Top of the morning to you. Give it some shit, man.
Sounds good to me.
Get juicy with it. Give me some slack. There we go.
Yeah.
A bruiser butt.
Yeah.
A bruiser butt. That was a suicidal fish.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
You walk, give me some slack.
Yeah, buddy. Nicely done. Ooh. Landed it, buddy.
Thank you. Awesome.
Oh yeah, she's a beauty. Yeah, buddy. Let's do it again.
What happened? Same spot.
Getting it done. You could fish with other people, or you could fish with this guy and actually catch fish.
We catch fish, we don't have to.
That's right.
Look at that little football.
Wow, beaut. She's a beaut, Clark. She gone. She out.
I know you can't tell by my muscular physique, but I like to eat. And they used to have these frickin' bacon wrapped scallops.
Yeah.
Did you ever have those?
No. Oh God. How you doing, boys?
Most excellent. Echo! It's an echo row. My back hurts.
Row harder. Stop complaining. Don't spit. You dirty dog.
Pressure relief.
Ah!
I told you.
We just hit a small child that was swimming. It's no big deal.
Come on.
Fish on.
Have a rainbow.
Yes.
Ready for a release? Out.
Let's go, Brandon!
What's up, dude?
Homie,
Doing handsome.
is that you fishing?
Flopping.
Flopping.
Practice flopping. I'm just gonna be up there going side to side, on the peak of the roof.
Do that. Hello, good morning, my glorious neighbors. Shit.
That is not a good day.
Shallow.
Yeah, that is not a good day. What'd you catch?
A stonefly.
Oh, that's cool. Lean it this way. Let me see that thing. Oh, where did you see it?
I just flipped over a big giant rock and I was like, oh, come on.
Yeah.
Come on, there has to be something.
That's what those rubber legs are based on, right?
Yeah.
Good job, bud.
Right on the sack.
That's why you got a good dad. He teaches you all those things.
It's right over there in the tide pools.
Nice catch, my friend. Get him in there. Get him in there.
Let's go.
Raise your kids right. You get that stud right there.
Very suspicious.
You look majestic in the river. Like a bear in his natural habitat. Oh my God. Gorgeous.
Put it to this?
Yes, we are.
What a slab.
Serious. That is nuts.
Hell yeah. Woo! That's a Sacramento River rainbow. Come on.
Come on now.
What do you think of that?
Absolutely love it.
Jaw, and that's its nose.
Trying to give it some little oxygen and it's getting some payback.
Yeah. They get in the net,
Yeah.
and especially this type of net, it's a shallow net, what makes it easy to net them, and it's forgiving on them, but if you try and revive them in the net, they just kind of wedge their beak in there, their nose,
Yeah.
and they're not really open and closing. So what I do is I throw my thumb in their mouth, make the sacrifice, especially on a big fish that we're gonna take photos of, throw my thumb in sideways, and now that fish's mouth is open, I use the back of my hand to push the net out of the way in the current. So we've got cold oxygenated water coming through right here. It's a great place to revive them versus slack water where less oxygen, yada yada. But I put my hand there and she's sitting there doing this now. Now I can see her gill plates moving, see the head color change.
Stop
And
it.
she starts getting a little more, yeah. And I'm like, oh, okay, she's coming back.
Yeah.
And then I bring her and choke her out.
Boys. Oh, wait, one more time. Trying to film and high fives. Air high five. Hey guys, this is Andrew Bocher with GY6 Outdoors. We're here on the Sacramento River of Northern California in Redding, California with my good friend Neil. He runs an outfitting service here on the Sac River catching some monstrous rainbow trout.
I provide all tackle, all gear. You
Yeah.
don't have to travel heavy.
Yep.
If you want to bring your own stuff, that's fine. I'll rig it up for you. I understand sentimental rods, my dad's rod, whatever. But I have everything. Rods, reels, line, tackle, provide lunches on the river.
I didn't bring anything. I brought my camera gear mainly, that's it. He has everything else in the boat. It's a fantastic experience for very little amount of preparation on your part other than booking a plane ticket to Redding, California.
Get out for a half day or a full day in this town and still keep going about your business. Go see the sights, the sundial, the river trail system, Whiskeytown Lake, Shasta Caverns, Lassen, Burney Falls. It's all, this is base camp. So you can do all this and go fishing at the same time in the same trip.
Yeah.
And you're literally going to be put on world-class rainbow trout.
Absolutely. Neil's not charging me, I'm not charging Neil. We're just friends, we want to help each other out. If you are looking for somebody to outfit your fishing trip, you have something in mind, you want to slam giant rainbow trout, go after steelhead, go after salmon, this guy knows what to do. And it's not just here on the Sacramento River.
Correct.
There's all sorts of stuff. I've been getting a lot of requests. I ask you guys all the time, what do you want to see more of? What do you want more content of? And a lot of people have been asking about fishing content, having some fun times on the river, on a lake. And this is why I came to Neil. Thanks for watching, guys. Follow into it. There's going to be a small sign off at the end. And hope you enjoy. See you later.
Moist.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.